Hello, hello, hello again. I'm sorry for whispering. It's late at night and I want to record this before I go to bed, but not wake up everybody. Well, not everybody, one body, my husband. So, unfortunately, this package came in a little worse for wear, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. The reason why I'm so excited, yes, my fashion file. I'm so excited about it is because this is my official birthday present. Well, one of two. So I have if you know about Fashion File, you have a wish list or favorites. It's called favorites. And I have a number of favorites. And I believe Honey went on there and got something from my favorites list. He better have. If this isn't... No, I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to say he better have. I'm just going to appreciate whatever is in this box. And I hope it is still in this box because, like I said, this box came somewhat open. So it's the usual stuff. Fashion file. And, sorry about this. Turn it this way. Because, oh, is this it? What the hell is this? Okay. That's interesting. Huh. Feels like a bag, but I didn't have a bag on my wish list. Let me feel around in here. Because, yeah, I say not to make a lot of noise, and I am making a lot of noise. Okay. Really quick. I got another Fashion File calendar. Yeah, let me see what it got me. Yeah, it's soft. Is it a wallet? Sorry about my nails, y'all. Like I said, it's late at night. Just got home a little bit ago. Okay. Happy birthday to me. Oh, okay. I have to calm down because y'all probably already know I am by nature a very boisterous and loud person. Very proud of that. Love who I am. However, no one appreciates that late at night, especially when you sleep and you have to be at work early in the morning like he does tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. I'm so excited. Let's see what he got. What the? Oh, he got me the... Oh, he got me the clutch. No way. This is, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he got me the clutch. This is this is a Chanel clutch. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he got me the clutch. Oh my gosh. This is a Chanel clutch that I saw. And, I put it on hold. I have lots of things on my favorites list. It's just something I do. I just keep it updated. Anytime I see something, I stick it on the list. It doesn't necessarily mean I'm ever going to get it. But, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm looking at it with my own eyes. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Oh, I didn't think you would spend this kind of money. I'm usually the one who spends a bunch of money. Oh my gosh. Look at this. What's that? Oh, nothing really. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Now I will say, this is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Now that I'm over oh my God, it is beautiful though. But it is teeny tiny. Let me pause this. Let me see what's going to fit in this bad boy. Okay, I'm back, y'all. So I thought I'd just grab some things to see what would fit. Maybe it will fit more than I thought. It is it's a beautiful bag. I mean, let's go over. Gosh. And I think this bag is like 10 years old. And the little CC's on top there. And I'm using my own eyes to look too. It's beautiful. It is in pristine condition. But, oh, and then it comes with oh yes, the authenticity card still with it. Yay. Oh, and I think I saw, the original Chanel bag too. Yay. Oh my God, thank you, honey. Oh, I really didn't think, because this is one of the things that are a little more expensive. on the site. I mean, on my favorites list. I didn't think he'd go for that. That I get, you know, something nice, obviously, because everything on the list I want, but I didn't think he was going to part with his money for this. Okay, let me see. So this is gonna like be a substitute for my phone, I guess. Wow. Wait a minute now. This might be too small. Like, I mean, a clutch, you don't need that much in it. Okay, let me take this out. So I definitely would need my keys. Wow. I don't even... Keys? Not even keys in a card holder? Oh, this doesn't fit anything. Oh, wow. This doesn't fit anything. Oh, dear. Let me think. I mean, I need at least this. And then I guess I could just put in a couple of cards. Huh. Let me see. Just a second. I'll be back. Let's see how we're going to work this. All right, y'all. I'm back. Unfortunately, this might be too small. I don't want to go in the room and wake him up, so I just took some cards out of here. I tried to actually I took my clay out of the purse I'm using now to stick in there, but it was too much still. So I just took out a few cards. And these are just like my library card, just to get an idea. And then I put this tampon in as a substitute for lipstick, or actually a tampon when I need it. And it's sort of tight to close. And I guess, you know, when I would decide to use this, it would just be for, you know, an after 5 situation, but this is super tiny. I think this might be too tiny. Oh no. And I mean, this is just from this here, so it's not permanent. But oh no, my birthday present. Oh well. I'm super excited. I'm so glad he got this for me. I really, really am. And it's a wonderful little bag. It's not going to be big enough for me. Not for, you know, my lifestyle, I guess you can say. I mean, I guess I could downsize to a key clay, or, oh, actually I could just put a couple of my major keys. Because you know, a lot of keys in here, and some I wouldn't need. Like my car key and my house key are the main things. The keys I need for my job, for my mailbox, for other things. I could just put in 2 keys in here and some cards. And I guess and stick it in like that. And then, you know, I guess a lipstick or a tampon in this case. But that's just really, really small. I really thought it was a little bigger. Let me get another clutch that I really love. Yeah, it's too small. Here's another clutch that I love. It's a I love all the glitter. It's a black, I think croc embossed clutch. It's Valentino. It's a little chain, so you can use it as a clutch or a bit of a shoulder bag. But this is, I think what's different is it's more like a coin purse size. Like, even though the bag shows this width, or length I should say, it's really about an inch shorter on each side. It's more like the coin purse. Because look, this, and let's say if I want to, yeah, this was like barely fitting with just these pieces. Oh yeah, no, it wasn't fitting at all, that's right. Let me take this out. Yeah, just a couple of pieces. But this bad boy, ooh. Oh, that's right, I gotta be quiet. I can put anything and everything in here. I mean, hell. Let me see, I can put this in here. Everything that's in here, and I can put in there. What else is in here? My tampon. And this is really this is what I get for not actually measuring or looking at the measurements more closely. Let's see here. Like, I don't know. Does this fit? Now, how would I put that in here? I So maybe this doesn't fit as much as I thought it does. Let me get this chain out of the way. Let's get this in here. There we go. Oh, let's see. Oh, yeah, this is significantly bigger. Let's see, use this as my cell phone maybe. This will still be lipstick. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, no. Yeah, this, and, I mean, it easily closes. And I could still maybe get a couple. Oh, heck, I have these here. Let me go on and put any of these in here. Let's see here. I'll just put it down front here. Look. Yeah. It's just too small. Oh, I love you, baby. I really love the present. It's just not quite big enough. Oh, Lord, I'm about to hear his mouth. He's like, it was on the list. I can already hear him. He'll be, oh, he's not going to be disappointed so much. He just doesn't want to have to go shopping anymore. That's fine. I'll go ahead and return it. This is a beautiful bag, you guys. Really, look. Anyone who is interested, you see the double CC there, and then there's camellia flower. It is really a beautiful, beautiful bag. It's just too small for me. You know, definitely, there's a lot of people who would just take, you know, a couple of cards, one key, that just, they can rock this, just this small. But this is probably about as small of a clutch I can go. That's about as small as I can go. Oh, well, I love it, though. Thank you, honey. I'll show him this video later. Thank you, honey. I do love it. You did very, very well. You did more than well. I didn't think this was in the realm of possibility of you picking this one. But it's gorgeous. I love it. Doesn't quite work the way I thought it would, but thank you so much. I appreciate my birthday present. Alrighty, y'all. Unfortunately, my first birthday present of the month is gone. It's going back. But if someone else is interested, it'll be back there. I'm returning it probably this weekend. Yep, that's it. All right, you guys. Until next time, I'll probably have, it's my birthday month, so it's going to be a little different. I'll probably be unboxing all doggone month from different presents I get. But let me not jinx myself. Mess around and not get nothing. No, I know at least one other thing's coming, so I'll have another unboxing soon. Okie dokie. Anyways, that's it. All right, you guys. Until next time. Bye.